Hello and welcome to BLACKHIVE. If you're a new subscriber and joining us for the first time, welcome. You're joining a community of people that are looking to learn digital skills. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what it is. We're learning digital skills, and welcome back to my channel. 17 years. They've definitely kept up with the times. They feature a marketplace full of merchants catering to almost everything you can think of. There's always going to be relevant products that you can promote. There's flexible payout options, digital and standard payout options that are available. They have a wide range of products. You can pick anything that you like, and they've got a huge library of products to choose from and promote. So you can look at which products that you're most passionate about for you to promote on your social media or on your website. Number 2, we have Amazon Associates. Everyone knows Amazon. Even in South Africa, Amazon is accessible and people are buying from Amazon. The online marketplace that can deliver anything from candy to big items. Every niche and each and every space is available on Amazon, which is why it's great to start your affiliate marketing with Amazon. They pay up to 10% on any qualifying products that comes with your link. You can actually take the link that you have on your affiliate marketing and promote it on social media. For example, if you are passionate about electronics and you have a YouTube channel that talks about electronics, or you have a Facebook pages that talk about electronics, you passionate about computers, when you register on Amazon, then you can actually promote those. The nice thing about Amazon as well, it's worldwide. So even if someone from Australia or from a different part of the world buys a product with your link, you still earn income. It's massively diverse in terms of selection of products. It's a one-stop shop for many people, so it wouldn't be difficult for you to find products, and most people shop on Amazon actually overseas. It hasn't quite taken up in South Africa, but over time it will. I'm not sure if everyone knows about eBay, but the next one is eBay Partners. eBay has been around for a long time, and it's also a marketplace for different products, and a lot of people do buy and sell on eBay. All you need to do is find a listing that you want to help promote. So if someone has listed, for example, that they're selling furniture, if you like that furniture and you think people are looking for it, or you think it's a great piece, then you can promote that particular listing that is listed on eBay and get paid. And the pro is there's no marketplace for more diverse than eBay. It's user-based. People are on eBay. If you're South African, then you're familiar with Gumtree, which is a small marketplace that is actually could be compared to eBay. Someone or somewhere is selling something on eBay today, and you can help them promote that product and earn. It is the most straightforward affiliate sales method. No complex rules to follow, simple to share. You can share your link anywhere. You can share your link on Facebook. Remember, when you've picked up the product that you're passionate about, then you can go and actually join the groups on Facebook for those. If people are talking about furniture, they're talking about design, they're talking about homes, then you can join those groups and help you promote your links on them. And also with eBay, they also can double up your commissions for the first 3 months. Maybe this is their welcome package, because for the first 3 months after you register, you can earn double of your commission. So which is nice, and it's actually a motivator for you to keep going. The next one is Shopify Affiliate Program. Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce softwares used by bloggers and online retailers to create their online store. I've also created a video on how to create your own store on Shopify. So as a blogger or as a retail, or you're selling clothes online, you can use the Shopify platform to create your own online store. And Even if you don't have that, you can also join their affiliate program and promote Shopify. You can promote Shopify with anyone, business people, anyone who's trying to sell items online. Then you can ask them to actually join Shopify using your affiliate program. This is a way that you can earn income without actually working. The idea of affiliate marketing is passive income. So you earn per referral. So you can earn up to 20% on referrals, depending on the amount of referrals that you've done. So Shopify, the nice thing about Shopify is different from the other ones that I've actually mentioned. Shopify is niche. It's one thing. So if you're promoting Shopify, you know what you're promoting. It's not a world of different products. Shopify is simply an e-commerce platform. So if someone is specifically looking for e-commerce platform, then you're able to ask them to use your link when they're looking for e-commerce platform, and you can direct them to my YouTube channel and they can get the tutorial on how to get started on creating that form. So when something is niche, it's easy for you to talk about. It's not a cluster of things, that clutter of things that you have to sift through to get the one thing that you're looking for. And when someone is using your link and they see another product that you didn't promote, so they can easily get distracted. So with Shopify, you know exactly what you're promoting. So Shopify is the best one as well, so get started on that. And the last one is Solvid. You can access Solvid on solvid.co.uk, or you can Google Solvid. Solvid is a creative SEO, which is a search engine optimization, copywriting, content marketing, web design agency that is based in London. Well, because it's based in London, it is available globally. That means that they can get clients anywhere in the world. So if someone is looking for Google search optimization, a company, or they're looking for copyright people, they're looking for content marketing people, web design, you can actually use your own affiliate marketing link that you'll get from them when you sign up, and then give it to the company and earn. This is something seamless. You can actually write up an advert on Facebook, and just check out the video that I've also created about how to create clickable links on Facebook that will direct them to your affiliate link on Solvid. So you can create adverts for people that are looking for it without you being the person that creates the copyright or that creates content management, but content marketing. But then you can generate sales for them and earn an income. This is a job that you can do whether you have a job or not. So you can make sure that you check your links and you update and you earn. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be uploading more relevant content about side hustles, affiliate marketing, small business digital tools, and everything related. I'll see you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. It does wonders for my content and actually Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What you want me to cover, or what you would like to learn in your digital skills learning journey. Thank you. Or what you would like to learn in your digital skills learning journey. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.